If you want to collect out quick opinions of other people, then you can even add in a voting session. So to do that, you can go around onto the voting session right here, and you can go around and click on start voting session right here. So let me just go around over here, and let's say they will be able to vote on sticky notes right here. So I'm just going to disable out other things. You can also enable out shapes right here, or enable out text if you want to, but I'm just going to go around and enable out sticky notes. So let's say you got let's say, for example, you want people to vote out 2 times on a particular, let's say, items, then you can say like 2 right here. And I'm just going to go around and say best choice as the vote right here. So now you can go around and just me and facilitators can vote, or you can select any member right here. So I'm just going to go around, click on any member. You can select the vote around for a particular selection, or you can select out for entire canvas. So once I do that, I'm going to click on start right here, and voting session will be started out. So you can begin voting, and you can click over here, and you can see 1 vote right here. Click again, there's 2 vote. You can go around right here. This is the vote, as you can see. And other people, what they will be able to do is do the same. They will be able to pick out different votes right here, just like that. And then what happens is that the voting will be done right here, just like that. So you can go around and end the voting session, and you can see that the unique voters are 2, and there's 4 votes for this particular option right here. You can do the same. So I'm just going to go around, and then I'm going to, let's say, for example, enable the voting session. And I'm going to go around and click on start voting session again. So this is going to be sticky notes again. Start this out so you can begin the voting. Click on items right here, and let's say the other person will be starting out as well. So they'll be doing the vote. You can end the voting session, and you can see that 2 votes has been won by this object right here, while each of these sticky notes got 1 vote right here. So that is how you can see the results. And to access out this results, you can also go around onto the show results page right here to access it back out right here. So you can go around and see there's other option, like you can hide out the votes right here. You can go around, show the votes so that the votes is shown again, as you can see, or you can delete out the voting sessions altogether right here. And what happens is that everything will be deleted. But over here, let me just go around and press cancel. Right now, if I were to go to show result page, you can see both of the voting session results right here. But if I were to go around and click on delete voting session, you can select out both of these. Press delete right here, delete session permanently, and then what happens is that the voting session is not there anymore, so the show votes is not active anymore right here. And that is how you can collect out votes inside of Mural. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.